Hey there, my amazing explorers. Welcome back to another super fun adventure right here at QAAI Wizards. It's me, your host, and of course my awesome sidekick, Sparky the Robot Pup. Oh, we are so excited you're here with us today. We're going to jump into a world of unbelievable inventions. So get ready, because this is going to be mind-blowing. All right, let's kick things off with a really fun question. Just imagine you have a giant box of Legos, and you dump them all out on the floor. Now, what if your robot could just look at that big pile, think for a second, and then build this incredible castle with towers and everything completely on its own? No instructions at all. That'd be like a character in a video game who can figure out quests all by themselves. Can you imagine the amazing things a robot like that could do?
You see, for a really long time, most robots were kind of like cooks who could only follow a super specific recipe. You had to tell them every little thing to do, step by step by step. But something incredible is happening right now. The new robots are getting a major brain upgrade. They're actually learning how to make up their own recipes to solve problems.
Now, this amazing brain upgrade has a pretty cool science name. It's called Agentic AI. That sounds a little big and fancy, right? So we're going to give it a secret superhero name instead, the Adventure Brain. Yep. This is the special magic power that lets a robot go on a mission, think for itself, and figure out the solution all on its own. It's what makes them real problem solvers.
And every robot with an adventure brain uses a secret code to remember how to do its mission. We call it the memory lock system, and it's super easy, like 1, 2, 3. The rhyme goes like this: think, plan, and do, it's something new. Let's lock that in with some moves. First, tap your head for think. Then draw a little map in the air for plan. And finally, point forward for do. You got it? Think, plan, do.
So how in the world does an adventure brain work all that magic? Well, it follows a simple 4-part quest. First, it uses its cameras, which are like super-powered eyes, to see the world and understand the challenge. Second, it has a big think to figure out what its goal is. Third, it makes a secret plan, just like a treasure map, to find the answer. And fourth, it's action time. It uses its robot body to actually do the plan.
And get this isn't some movie or cartoon. There are real robots with adventure brains being built by super smart scientists right now. So let's meet some of the members of this robot superhero team. Each one has a totally different and unique ability. Sparky can't wait.
First up on our team, meet Tesla Optimus. This robot is being designed to be the ultimate helper. Its superpower is doing all sorts of chores, like organizing boxes in a huge factory, or, and this is my favorite, perfectly folding your t-shirts at home. Now that is a superpower I could definitely use.
And next up, here comes Figure 02. This robot isn't just strong, it's also a super smart talker. Its superpower is actually having conversations with you to understand exactly what you need. You could literally say, "Hey, can you get me that apple from the bowl?" And it would get it. It's like having a friendly, thinking teammate right there with you.
Okay, now let's see an adventure brain solve a problem in the real world. Here we have a robot arm, and it's powered by Google's Gemini Robotics. It sees two things, a plastic bottle and a paper cup. Its job is to sort the recycling, but it has a tricky question. Where are these supposed to go? Right now, it actually doesn't know the answer.
Now watch this. This is the cool part. The robot doesn't just take a wild guess. No way. Its adventure brain switches on. It uses a tool, the internet, to look up the recycling rules for its exact location. It's kind of like asking a giant, super fast encyclopedia for the right answer. It's thinking and learning just like we do.
And here it is, the final step, do. Because it has the right information now, the robot knows exactly what the plan is. It carefully sorts the plastic bottle into one bin and the paper cup into the other. And just like that, mission accomplished. The robot used its adventure brain to figure it all out by itself. How awesome is that?
You know, having robots that can think is so exciting. One of the most awesome things they'll be able to do is work together in big teams to solve huge problems. But, with great power comes great responsibility, so they have to follow very important rules. And the number one rule is to always be safe and helpful. They're being designed to be gentle partners for us. And hey, here's a little secret just for you. When you learn about how these robots think in different steps, you're actually giving your own brain a workout. Understanding their process helps you build focus and makes you an even better problem solver. You're basically building your own personal super brain just by learning this stuff. All right, it's time for a super quick quiz. Sparky is ready. What are those 3 secret code words from our memory lock system that an adventure brain uses to finish its mission? I'll give you a little clue. It's about what you do with your head, a map, and pointing forward. You got it! Think, plan, and do! You guys are robotics geniuses.
Wow, what an amazing trip into the future. Let's wrap it up with a quick 3-line summary. So, first, robots are getting these awesome adventure brains called Agentic AI. Second, this new brain lets them think, plan, and do things all on their own. And third, these incredible new robots are learning how to become our partners in really amazing ways.
And before we go, here's a super cool fact to think about. In the future, these adventure brains might get so creative that you could ask your robot helper to invent a brand new game with all new rules and everything just for you and your friends to play that day.
You were all such brilliant explorers today. Thank you so much for joining us on this tour of the incredible world of thinking robots. Sparky and I had the best time. We really hope you'll fly back and join us for our next mind-bending journey of discovery right here at QA_AI Wizards. Bye for now, friends.